Let me start by saying that a credit card is a very helpful financial tool, especially if you're smart enough to use it. Let's talk about that in this video. Elil the Marvel here and welcome back to my channel. I will give you some tips kung paano gamitin ang credit card ng tama. First, you have to pay off your balance every month. So we want to make sure that you can pay your balance in full every month. Kung kaya mong gawin yan, then do it. If you're able to do that, you can definitely save interest charges from the bank. Amazing, right? So para kang nangutang ngayon and babayaran mo siya next month na walang interest na binabayaran. Second, use the credit card for needs, not for wants. So we want to make sure na gagamitin lang talaga natin yung card sa mga kailangan natin sa buhay. Let's say for example, yung pagkain, yung utility bills, education, stuff like that. But I do understand as an individual, we need our wants. Pero I would suggest guys, kung hindi naman talaga kailangan, wag na lang po natin ipilit kasi para hindi tayo mabaon sa utang. Let's say for example, kailangan mo mag-upgrade ng phone, pero meron ka pa namang working phone, then wag mo na siyang gawin. Pero at the end of the day, it's still gonna be you who will decide. Kung gusto mo talaga, I would suggest na lang try to purchase it on an installment. Let's say for example, 12 months or 18 months. Depende kung kailan mo siya gustong bayaran para at least hindi ka ma-charge ng interests. And at the same time, yung monthly bill mo hindi ganun kabigat. Alright? Now, the third one is never skip your payment. Of course, we want to make sure that you will not skip your payment. So if in the event na hindi mo talaga kayang bayaran yung full amount due every month, at least the minimum amount due will do, making sure that you will not be charged any late payment fee, and at the same time you can keep your record from the bank in good standing. That would also be beneficial for you in the future if you are planning to apply for loans, or let's say salary loans, educational loan, housing loan, or car loan. Those financial institutions can definitely check your record if you're a good payer or not. Alright, so the fourth one is use the credit card as the budgeting tools. So, pwede mo ipasok lahat yung mga utility bills mo doon monthly, and that way you don't have to pay your utility bills manually. So, lahat yun matcha-charge sa card mo, and then you'll just have to check your card, ano yung mga nabayaran, so madali lang siya i-identify and madali lang siya i-track. And you just have to pay your credit card for that. And the good thing about that as well is that you can maximize your spending power, because whenever you pay your utility bills this month, even if it's due this month, you'll have to pay that on your credit card statement the following month. So, mamamanage mo pa rin yung finances mo for that. And then last one guys, if you wanted to apply for a credit card, I would actually suggest to use to apply for a rewards card. That way, whenever you're using your card for groceries, shoppings, utility bills and all, you are actually getting something out of the card. You're earning rewards of the card while you are using it. So, that would be actually more beneficial for you. Hindi ka lang makakautang sa kanila, and at the same time, makaka-gain ka ng rewards if you are using your card. So that's gonna be it. Again, this is Elil the Marvel. I hope that you learned something about this review, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye! Ingin ng bata, biniyata ka dan.